Here I am in my own Facebook ad campaign, and I've just chosen the create a new advert tab. All right, now here I get consideration. What do I want to do? What's my marketing objective? Okay, traffic or conversions? Okay, now both are very, very good. Both are important and both suit different applications. For most people, you're going to run a traffic campaign when you're running your ads. That's for most folks. That's where you can send the traffic off of Amazon's platform. Bada boom, bada bing, super easy. If, however, you're trying to make sales, conversions, then sometimes a conversion optimization campaign is very, very good, because Amazon will optimize your ads, optimize who your ads are shown to, with the objective in mind to optimize for conversions. Now, that sounds awesome, but what you will need for that is a big, what's called a big universe of prospects to give Facebook to go after. So you'll need a large amount of people for Facebook to try and make sales to, so that it can figure out what's actually who the people are that convert. Because if that data sample, it's called a data sample, the number of people that you're marketing to is too small, and I'm going to say less than 10,000 people is too small, then Facebook will not have a broad enough range of people and different sorts of people to try different ideas with to see what works best. So it depends, Hitten, is the answer to that. And it will depend on how big a universe, or how big, let's use simple language, how big how large an amount of people you have cookied or pixeled. It will depend on that. If it's less than 10,000, run a traffic campaign. More than 10,000, run a conversion campaign. That's what I would do, mate. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.